I'm Adriana, and this is Cooking with Adriana. On today's show, we will be featuring a fall recipe that should be a family favorite for the Thanksgiving holiday. We will be making sausage-stuffed crescent cornucopias. For today's recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 1 can of refrigerated crescent roll, half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup coarsely chopped sweetened cranberries, 4 pre-cooked breakfast sausage links chopped, and 1 egg. Remember, adult supervision is always required. Heat the oven to 375 degrees. First, line a baking sheet pan with parchment paper. Next, in a medium bowl, mix the sausage, cheese, and cranberries. Spread the dough into triangles and slightly stretch the shortest side of the dough. Gently press about a tablespoon of filling at the short side of the triangle. Fold the corner of the dough over the filling to make a small cone to surround the filling and press the edge to seal. Wrap the remaining point around the front of the filled crescent on the baking sheet. Press the bottom layer of the opening of the dough cone to lengthen slightly. Add a little bit more of the filling to the crescent. Curve the tip of each crescent slightly for cornucopia appearance. Beat the egg and lightly brush the crescent. Bake for 13 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. And here we have it, folks, our finished recipe: sausage stuffed crescent cornucopias. Thank you for joining me today on Cooking with Adriana. Until our next cooking adventure, stay connected, stay active, and stay engaged.